Back to the channel, and for completing this lab we required one application called Microsoft Remote Desktop. So if this application is not installed to your system, so just download it from your Microsoft store, and Mac user download from their app store. And if you are facing any kind of issue while downloading this application, so I already created one video called Microsoft sorry, how to connect RDP in Windows. So you can just watch this video where I show how can you use all my desktop website for connecting your RDP connection. So once you're done with all this stuff, just copy your password, open this thing in incognito window, click on continue, and just wait for a second now. And one more thing guys, if if your internet connection is not stable, then you might face some lagginess while accessing your RDP connection. So just search for the VM instance, open that thing. Now wait for a second, and all this virtual machine has been created for you already. Now at last you can see one RDP option. Just click on that. Now click on this link. So one file will download to your system. Now click on this down arrow, click on this open in Finder like this. Now open this with your application. Okay, now wait for a second. Now it's asking for the password. Now just go to your virtual machine, this. Now click on this down arrow, click on this set Windows password, click on that, wait for a second, and click on this set option. Now it will generate one new password for you, so just wait for that. Okay, so it's done. Now copy this password and paste over here like this. Okay, and click on this. Let me just show, click on this show. So this is my same password. So click on continue, click on continue. Now it will take a couple of seconds to establish a connection, and wait for that. So it's done now. Now we don't need this virtual machines. Okay, now here we need to perform all the step in this RDP connection. Okay, so first of all, just wait for to just get established and settle up. Okay, now click on this cross. Now open your Chrome browser, and if you are facing like one issue when you try to copy the instruction from or command from the actual machine, okay, or actual lab instruction page, and it's not allowed to paste over here, that time what you have to do, just click on this plus icon, and here just search for the cloud skill boost. Okay, open this thing, click on this, and just sign in over here as you do with your local system. Just sign in over here. You can sign in with the Google, or you can just give the email ID and password. So just copy this, paste over here, paste your password, and then just sign in. Okay, and once you sign in over here, click on this never, and you can see one lab is in progress. So click on this continue option, and here you can see, and now from here you can copy and paste the instruction. Now what you have to do, just simply click on this three dots, and then click on this incognito window, and here what we have to do, I'm going to use this actual lab instruction page because I have authority to just copy and paste it the virtual machine. So just simply scroll down, copy this link and paste over here, and again I'm saying I'm on the RDP connection. Okay, now here I have to just paste the password and just copy this, paste this email ID, and then copy this password and paste over here. Now wait for a second. So we have now just log in to RDP Cloud Shell. Okay, now here what we have to just search for. So if you just scroll down, copy this name called Migration Center, just search for here and open this thing. Okay, now in the region option, just choose the US Central one and click on this connection, sorry, continue. Now here just click on this discover asset, and click on this add data. Now scroll down, and for the client name just scroll down to your lab instruction page, and from here just copy this name. Okay, copy this name, paste over here. Okay, for the service account just choose the migration client, scroll down. For the estimate number of asset just type 6. Okay, now here you can see add data sources, so click on that. So we are done with this step. Now what we have to do, so we have to just download one file. Okay, so just wait. So it's done. Now click on this download option. Now it will download one file to your system, and here click on this option, then click on this open when done. Okay, and now just wait and relax. Just make sure this thing will not go for a sleep, otherwise it will be disconnect. Everything will be going to happen automatically. Just be patient. Now here you can see, click on this yes option, click on this OK, and now click on this I accept the agreement. Click on that, click on next, click on next, click on this create a desktop shortcut, click on next, next, install. Now this is going to take couple of minutes, so please be patient and just make sure it will, this RDB connection will not go for a sleep, otherwise it will be disconnect and you might face a issue. So it's finally done. Now click on this finish option. Now just cancel this, click on this minus option. Okay, now click on this also. Now here you can see migration center. Open this thing in as a run as a administrator. Okay, click on yes. It will load the page. Now just click on this, and now you can just scroll up and scroll down. Okay, now click on this authorize with the migration center. Click on that. Now click on this run check. Wait for a second and it will be done. Click on continue. Now here please pay attention. Once you click on this login with Google, and if it's open in the Internet Explorer, what you have to do, just click on this cross. We have to just copy this link. Okay, just copy this link. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, click on this. Now just copy this link. Okay, go to your Chrome browser, and here just click on this incognito window, open this and paste over here like this and hit enter, and choose your student ID. As you can see, click on that. You will get, click on continue. Now here you can see receive verification code. You may close the window. Now once you click on that close, just go to your migration app, and here you can see the continue option. So just simply click on that continue option. From here just choose your project ID and click on continue again, and for the collectors just choose the MCC lab collector and click on authorize. Once you're done with all these steps, if you just click on check my progress for task number 1, okay, you will get a score. If you just scroll down, we have done with all these steps. As you can see, all these steps, and click on check my progress for task number 3, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, so now for the task number 4, just click on this add credentials option. Okay, now click on this configure. For the name, just scroll down, copy this name called lab, paste over here like this. Now from the drop down, choose user ID and password. Just copy this name like this. Now copy the password. Okay, password like this. Click on this cross, and here you can see add credentials. Click on that. So we have done with these steps. Now what we have to do, as I already mentioned, like we have to install or open our personal lab also here. So now what we have to do, just download this download PEM file. Click on this. Okay, so now this will download to your RDB connection. Okay, so now what we have to do, just come on this Chrome browser, and here what we have to do, again click on this add credentials. So for that we have to just redirect to this migration app. Okay, now click on this add credentials, again click on this configure option. Now for the name, just copy this name lab key, paste over here. Okay, now for the credentials, choose the SSH key. Now just scroll down. For the name, what we have to use, SSH key user. So just copy this, paste over here. Okay, now here click on this upload. Again I'm saying, if you are on your local system and after you are downloading here, you will not get an option to upload because this is a RDB connection. So that's why you have to log in with your personal email ID like this. That's why I already mentioned in the starting of the lab. Now just come over here and click on this upload, click on this browse option, and here just go to your download option, click on this Qwiklab some random number.pm file, click on open. So it's done. Now if you just scroll down, just click on this cross option, so you will get an option called add credentials. Just simply click on that and this thing will be also done. Okay, now we have to just scan up all the ranges. So for that what we have to do, click on this add assist, click on this machines and scan IP, click on that. Now agree and continue. Okay, now click on this and enter a range. Now here please pay attention. Okay, first of all what you have to do, just go to your VM instance. Okay, now here you can see your internal IP. Okay, so just copy this first IP. Okay, please copy this first IP. Just go to your RDP connection, paste over here. Okay, like this. Now here you can see at the last point. Okay, this last number, so just delete that, just give 1, and here just remove that 5 again and just give 8. As you can see, make sure you have to make the changes as given in your internal IP. So once you're done with that, because it's already mentioned in the lab instruction also, if you just read this point, you will understand. Now once you're done with this, now click on this scan IP, start IP scan, click on start scan. Now you are done with that, click on this cross, and we have done with all these steps. Okay, now time for task number 5. What we have to do over here, just simply click on browser, open this. Okay, now just click on asset. Okay, as you can see here, now if you just click on this view in status zone, click on that. Now it will redirect to this page. Click on this and wait for a second, scroll down, click on continue, again wait for a second. And if you face this kind of error like a red banner, what you have to do, again go back to your this page. Okay, again click on this view in status zone and again try to reopen it as we done in the previous steps. Again scroll down and click on continue, and let's see, we will get an option for like this. If you didn't get this kind of option, again do the same step. Now click on this here. Okay, click on this sign in with Google, and here we have to choose the student ID. Click on that, click on confirm, and click on this agree and click on next. Okay, so we are in now status zone. So we have done with all these steps, as you can see, and if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to again add some credentials. So first of all, just copy this name. Okay, copy this name, go to your migration. Okay, now just simply click on this back option, click on this add credentials. Now here please pay attention. Last time what we have done, we have just simply click on this configure option, but now we have to just click on this database scan. Okay, it's already mentioned in the lab instruction also. Okay, so just copy this name first of all, and make sure you have to click on this database scan, then click on this configure. Now here just paste the name. Okay, now for the select the database, so we had to first time we had to choose MySQL, and for the username just copy this username and use MySQL. For the username, paste the username. For the password, copy this password and paste over here. Okay, now click on add credential. So we are done with the MySQL thing. Now we have to do same thing for PostgreSQL. So just copy the name, again click on add credentials, again click on this database scan, again click on this configure, paste the name over here, and here we have to use the PostgreSQL. Now for the username, again copy this, paste over here, then copy the password and paste. Okay, so done. Click on this cross first of all, and now click on this add credentials. So done with that. Okay, we are done with all these steps. Now we have to add the asset. So what we have to do, for click on this. Okay, click on this database connection, and you can get an option for enter connection string. So click on this. Now for the connector credential name, just click on this and choose the lab MySQL. Click on this. Okay, which is already mentioned over here. Now for the OS machine asset, here you can see this third option, lab MySQL 01. And if you are not getting this option, so you haven't performed these steps which I already mentioned, these steps. If you didn't perform this step, you will not get the option like this. Okay, so let's back to the task now. What we have to do, we have just choose the lab MySQL 01 as mentioned in the lab instruction. Now just copy this host, paste over here. Okay, as you can see, now here you can see I'm not getting this option for testing. So why? Because we have to click on this cross. Once I click on this cross option, I will get the option. Click on this test connection string, and here you can see successfully connectivity test done. Click on add asset. So we are done with this step. Okay, all these steps. Now what we have to do, just copy this, go to your Chrome browser again. Okay, open the new tab, paste that link which you copy, wait for a second, and here you can see one file has been downloaded, .csv file. Again, go back to your migration application. Okay, now what we have to do, just simply click on this add assist, again database, and upload csv for of connection string. Choose that. Now for here we have to choose lab Portuguese SQL. Now click on this browse option, and just you will redirect to this csv file. Just simply click on that and click on open. So done with this. Now simply click on save. So here you can see successfully csv file imported. Click on dismiss. Okay, now if you just scroll down and click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now do not worry about that. It take time to update a score because it's already take 20 minutes. Okay, so do not worry about that. Now what we have to do on the migration testing, what we have to do over here, please make sure of this thing. First of all, just go back to your Chrome browser, come over here in status zone. As you can see, just simply click on this result option, and if you just scroll down here, the database. Okay, and here is the inventory. So just simply click on this inventory, and here you can see there is no inventory. Why? Because it's going to take 15 minutes to upload all the files, and because of this we can't move forward of all these steps. So we have to wait couple of minutes, and after that we will check on the these steps. So if you want, just simply click on the refresh button, and here you will get all this inventory. So just wait for a couple of minutes, and after that we can move at the next task. Now again come over here, click on this refresh option, and let's see. Okay, still no assist found. Just wait for a couple of minutes more. So as you can see, after a couple of minutes, as you can see, you can calculate how much time it's take. As per the lab instruction, it's going to take 15 minutes, but you can just going to calculate how much time it's take for visualize all this data. So if you just click on this check my progress, and let's see we got a score over here or not. Okay, so we got a score over here. Now if I just click on this check my progress, I will get a score here also. Okay, now from the task number 9, what we have to do, please pay attention. Click on this report option, and here you can see assessment summary and portals. Click on this generate report. Now here for the name, copy this name, come over here and paste. Okay, now from here just click on this select all, and from here please pay attention, just scroll down at bottom, click on this private data center. For the comparison, just copy this, click on that, and click on this on demand. For comparison one vendor, again click on this 3 years, or let me just check. Okay, 1 year, so just click on this 1 year, and for the last option we have to just click on this 3 years. As you can see, it must look like this. Then click on this create report. Okay, and once this report is created, you will get one notification over here. So we have done with all these steps. Click on this check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now we have to again create one report for the inventory. So just copy this name, and in the report click on that and search for the inventory. So here you can see inventory, click on this generate report. Again for the name, just paste that name, and for the select files, click on all, select all, and click on create report. And once this report is generated, you will get a notification. Click on this check my progress, and you will get a score over here also. Now we have to create a report for detailed pricing. So just copy this name, click on this report again, and here you can see at the third detailed pricing. So click on that, again paste the name. Okay, select file, select all file. Now for the vendor catalog 1, scroll down at bottom, click on this private data center, and here you can see we got one notification, inventory report has been completed. Okay, so simply click on this cross. Now for here, what we have to choose, we have to choose on demand. Okay, now for catalog 3, what we have to choose, we have to choose 1 year. Now for the catalog 4, we have to choose 3 year. Okay, your detailed pricing report must be look like this. Click on create report. Now once you're done with that, click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now for this, okay, for the task number 12, what you have to do, just go back to your result, and here you can see one option called database. Click on that. Okay, now scroll down, and here you can see download pricing report. Click on this. Okay, now here we have to add all this value which is mentioned over here. So just copy this name, paste over here. Okay, click on this, and from here just choose the MySQL, click on this on demand, then 1 year, and here we have to choose 3 year. Okay, now click on report, create report, and once this also done, you will get a notification. And if you might get confused where you get database option, in result tab. Okay, we have to go result tab, then click on that database option. So we have done with that. Click on this check my progress, we will get a score without any issue. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this database inventory. So no need to do all these steps, simply come on the last task of this lab. So what we have to do, okay, so click on this cross option. First of all, click on this report again. Now scroll down at bottom, you will get view more option. Click on this, again scroll down at bottom, you will get container fit assessment report. Click on this generate report. Okay, now here we have to just add this value. So just copy this value, paste over here, and from this choose MCC lab collector and click on report. So once this is done, as you can see, it's building now, and if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.